It honestly feels like I haven't had this car on the channel for so long, just because I haven't really done much to it, and I think I mentioned in one of the last videos, I really don't know what next to do as of right now. So even for this video, we're gonna be dropping this car off and picking up another one.
X-band, K-band.
So today we're in my brother's F82 M4, and we're gonna be taking this thing for a little drive because he did a few mods, and I really want to show you guys how this thing sounds now. Not sure how many of you can tell what that mod is from this controller, but he got a Valvetronic exhaust, and this thing sounds beautiful now. You can't really tell too much inside the car because it's not that cold out today, but we're gonna go ahead and take this thing for a drive, show you guys how it sounds, and then talk a little bit more about the exhaust too. Things about this exhaust is that right now you can't really hear much. Like, it still sounds great, but that's with the valves closed. So now, as you can tell, that's a big difference. And the car is not really warmed up yet, but once it does, you'll start hearing a lot more banging and popping, you know, the typical BMW stuff that you hear when you tune these cars. I'm gonna go ahead and toss it into M2 mode real quick. Confirm. Okay. So now we're in M2, and this thing is tuned and it has a few modifications for power, so it is a lot faster than a stock M4. Obviously it has the exhaust, it has other suspension work and stuff, but we can get into that a little bit later. So this thing does move, and it whoops my car in a race. I'm trying to see if there's any open highway. Not sure how well you guys can hear the exhaust either. Okay, so we're out of light now. Let's see if we can see how this thing sounds, because I don't think you guys can hear it from inside the car, but now we got a window open. Now you can hear it. Looks like a drag pack R8.
K-band.
That thing looks nice. This is the remote that I was talking about, and as you guys can tell right now, sounds like a pretty mild exhaust, but I'm gonna drop the camera here so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like. So this is right now exhaust open. I'm gonna close it real quick. Not sure how well you guys could hear that because it was echoing across the entire park here, but as you guys can tell, this thing sounds amazing. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like from up here, and I'll put this down right there. But yeah, honestly, I'm just enjoying this thing today just because my brother wasn't here. I was like, you know what, let me utilize this time to go ahead and drive this car and have a little bit fun with it. I could also make a video about it real quick. There is one other reason why we're taking this car today, and I didn't take my own car to where we're going, but I don't know if I'm gonna share that with you guys just yet. So the other reason I brought this car was because we needed to stop here. I'm not gonna say why we stopped here, but hopefully we have some good news in one of the upcoming videos. But we'll keep that a secret for the time being. So I just showed up at my parents' house. We got the M4 here, and we have this AMG. I'm not sure how many of you know that we have this car within the family. This is E63 AMG. It's my little brother's car actually. But if you're looking to buy an AMG, we have this thing for sale. As you can see, pretty clean spec overall, very kind of OEM plus. He got the stock wheels, but everything looks very nice. There's no tints on the car, and it kind of adds to the aesthetic of it. But yeah, like I said, if you're looking to buy an AMG, we have this one for sale, so you can just hit me up on Instagram, comment down below if you want it, and we'll probably get it to you for a very good deal. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video. We got what we wanted at the dealership, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. But for today, we're gonna go ahead, drop the M4 back off at my brother's house, pick up my car, see what the rest of the weekend's gonna look like. But hopefully we get some exciting news either on the E30 or the new project, if you want to call it that. But yeah, I think it's gonna be it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.